Go get her. Don't even mess with her, okay? Look, she's so pretty. Come on, she's not gonna move for nothing. Oh, she's not happy. Look at how pretty she is. Stop it. She wants it off, huh? Take it off. Take it off of me. Lynn. She's not happy. I just want to record a sound. She's gonna get you.
I don't know how to record.
You just hit it.
Hit what?
Hold on a minute. Wait, I want to... Okay, she's moving. She's moving. Okay, here. You hold mine and I'll do yours.
No, it's okay. I got the pictures of her. I just didn't know. I've never done recording. Oh, wait. There. There you go. You can move your thingamajig from there.
She wants it off.
Bring her this way. Now I've got it recorded.
Okay.